Hi, I'm Allie. Welcome back to my channel where I channel through messages from the goddess Brigid, the Ascended Masters, and any benevolent light beings working with me on my mission and using me as a tool to accelerate myself, my loved ones, and anyone receiving this message onto our highest timelines as quickly as possible. I guess we'll just go. All right, clearing any and all negative light frequencies and distortions from this space on all levels, all timelines. Thank you. Carefully step aside and allow the goddess Brigid to channel through for a message. Thank you. I honor you deeply. We are showing Allie a merry-go-round, an old-fashioned carousel with beautifully decorated horses, intricate, gorgeous painting and designs, flowers in the hairs of the horses, fanciful pictures painted, lights along the top rim. The carousel spins around, the horses move up and down. It is so beautiful. There is so much to look at. You are in a busy, busy carnival setting. There are lights. There's the smell of cotton candy and kettle corn. This is an analogy for what it means to be a human right now. This is manufactured fun. This is manufactured distraction. This is capitalism. The beauty of a carousel, even an antique old one, pales in comparison to the beauty that nature has to offer. The frequency that nature emits will bring true joy, true bliss, true happiness. And now more than ever, we must root down. You must draw in. You must find resonance with nature's frequency. Resist the flashing lights of the carnival and the low vibrations of man-made, manufactured distraction, keeping you stuck. It is time in open spaces, vast, wide open spaces, vast, wide forests, root networks that will lead you to the frequency that you desire and deserve. Tap in. Blessed be. That was a lovely, lovely message. I think we can all relate to that. That false man-made joy. but the true, pure joy that nature can bring. I hope you can find some time to be in nature. I know I will. Until next time.